best way of getting this out of the ignition is using this right here. Imagine you get a feeler gauge. You know, if it's stuck, you might have to sand this down, you know, maybe with a Dremel. Put your feeler gauge in there and see if you can get leverage to where you can push this down. You know, so your feeler gauge will go in this way and you can push it over. Now it won't necessarily go down all the way. However, you might be able to get enough clearance to be able to grab a hold of this and just pull it straight out. So, or at least pull it past that lip. Pull your filler gauge out and then pull it the rest of the way out. That way you don't get it trapped in there. But it does look like it goes down a little bit. So you're going to have to drill it out. Drill it out or take off the ignition switch. So you just have to sand that down as far as you can get it. Get a small enough filler gauge, slide it in there, move it over. Hopefully maybe get some leverage with something, and just move it over and see if you can slide it out that way instead of trying to drill in from that lippity hole that's supposed to push this down. Okay. But otherwise, pull it out a little bit. So just sticking like this. Pull it out a little bit, just a little bit at a time, and you may actually be able to free it, because it's not actually this part, it's actually the keys in here that ride along this these grooves. So I guess they come a little bit out of alignment somehow, or if the key goes in further than it's normally supposed to. So basically that'll may solve your problem. At least for this situation. Other people may actually have problems with the ramp, but I'm not seeing how it would actually affect it. And then you got some people who have issues with this part down here. It slips down. However, if that spring in there or whatever breaks and it gets stuck, then that could be causing you issues as well. So just be aware of that portion. Okay. That's just off to the left of this little indent that you see in your car. So that's where this the video, whatever it is, it'll block the keyhole if it's fully closed. But that's, you know, may help you out. So just pull your key out just a little bit when you're trying to start your vehicle, because if you stick it all the way in, you get the I can't start it situation. But if you pull it out just a little bit, just keep pulling it, turning it, you'll eventually get it to where it turns. Okay. So not as bad a situation I thought it was, but I don't know how long it actually lasts still. I still would recommend just getting this rekeyed, and you can take this one off and then just get all the numbers off these things right here. These are the keys that ride along the key itself. So they actually have numbers on them. So if you take the old one apart, and you'll find all the numbers for these, and you can just rekey it easily, or you could just do it one by one until you figure out, you know, all the correct keys by sticking the key in each different locations. There's a video you can also watch. It's called VZ Commodore, which is the another version of the Holden Monaro. So the Holden Monaro videos are very good for the 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTOs. So just be aware of that. And, hope this helps out.